guys, welcome back to my channel, YouTube channel, that is Cat Design Master. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel to get more interesting and variable knowledgeable video of the SolidWorks and other CAD software. Okay, now in previous tutorial I had explained you the structure membrane and 3D sketch and other all the sheet metal surfaces sketch feature, all tools I had explained in my YouTube playlist. Okay, now in this tutorial I will explain you the trim extent. So this part has been created in previous tutorial. If you have not, please watch this by using the structure member. Okay, just click on trim extent, select the body, which body you want to trim. I want to trim this body over here, so just click on body and there the option and second the trimming body. You have the there is two option, that is bodies and the face and plane. Okay, I am selecting the bodies for from which trimming bodies, that is force or base. Okay, I am selecting this body. From this body I want to trim this body, and okay, just click on ok button. Okay, now you can see over here this is going to be trimmed. I think this is error. uh, Generally this is not happen, but I don't know, I will explain you. So just click on here and control 8. Now you can see the body is going to be trimmed. This body any wait a minute, this body draw this body, that is body number 1, is going to be trimmed by this body, by body number 2. Okay, body 1 is going to be trimmed by body 2, and so there is a multiple option over here. You can customize trim body. That is corner type is 4, that is first one is end trim, second one is end meter, and third one end butter 1 and but 2, and last one, that is fourth, that is end but 2. Okay, if I select this, you can see this body is going to be cut from both. Okay, equally two bodies has been going to be cut. Now you can see here this is a trimmed body. This body is going to be trimmed by this one. Okay, no problem. The third type is but, that is end but. If I will select this end but, you can see this body is going to be trimmed, that is body 1. body 1 Body 1 is trimmed from body 2, that is body 2 is major, and this body 1 is being a minor over here. Okay, now body 1 is trim, or body 1 mass is reduced from by with the help of 2. And you can also see here the uh, this has been created over here. Now this, if you want to fill up, you can go to the weldment and you can select the end cap. Okay, end cap, just click on end cap. I want to end cap this, so just click on face, and there are the type of the end cap, that is selecting the thickness selection inward. You can see it will going to be inside. Second word is internal, that is inside the internal here, and second last the default, that is outward. Okay, I am selecting outward, and there is the corner treatment, that is chamfer and the fillet. I am selecting the fillet of radius of 5, not 5 is not well, so 2. Okay, wait a second, 2. And the extrusion of this, that is the distance or thickness, you can say, is not very, should not be large, because generally it is not happen. Okay, you can reduce. Okay, and fillets is should be 2. Actually my num block is not activated, so that problem has been happened. No problem, you can change the radius, that is a reverse. You can reverse this inside and outside. Okay, point and point inside, this is, you can say, the 0.5 inside over here. You can change also offset value. Okay, thickness ratio, etc, etc. Just click on ok. You can go and make the many changes over here. Now in next tutorial I will explain you the gusset feature of the weldment. Okay, now how to apply this cursor feature and what is the use of the weld base. In next tutorial I will definitely make the tutorial on this or video. So let me connect me, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is CAD Design Master. In future I will inshallah make the more knowledgeable videos on SolidWorks, CAD, NX7, and many more CAD software. Okay, if you are interested person, and if you are the engineering student, then this YouTube channel is very important for you. Okay, if you really like, please help me subscribe this channel. Okay, thanks again. I'm just existing. Okay, thank you.